Welcome to Fit Mom Thai routine. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious non-fat drink. Join me. Yeah. All you need is the watermelon and the blender. Mmm, doesn't that look delicious? Mmm. It's so good, you guys. I tell you, this is a perfect drink for the summertime. Everyone in my family love it. I'm sure you got your family, anybody love it too. You guys must try it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please thumb up, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. What do you think? Good? See? Even a kid love it. See you next time. Bye.